Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm going to do a pick a card reading. Will there be any reconciliation? Yesterday I have posted a free reading post. Then I have received so many emails. Then I have deleted the my video. I mean, whatever I posted, I have deleted because most of them were asking, will there be any reconciliation? Then I thought, okay, I will do the reconciliation reading only. So pick a card reading we will do. So I have three piles here, blue shell and yellow shell and green shell. So let's see. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. I'm so happy and very much thankful to you all because you all are encouraging me, supporting me constantly. Thank you so much. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everyone. Then if you want personal reading, details are given in the description box below. So you can contact me, you can email me so that I can respond back and I will give you more details. Okay. Then if you want any different kind of a reading, just post in the comment box so that I can do it for you. Okay, that's all I have. Then let's start. Okay. Pile number 1, blue shell. Pile number 2, this yellow shell. And pile number 3 is this green shell. You can choose any one of them, whichever you are connected to intuitively. You can choose the shell. Then we can start the reading. So let's start with shell number 1. This blue color. So we will start with blue shell. Let's start. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some clarity. Will this connection be there in future, or will we reconcile? Will there be any reconciliation? Will there be any reconciliation? Will there be any reconciliation? Will there be any reconciliation for the pile number 1? Will there be any reconciliation for pile number 1? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Will there be any reconciliation for pile number 1? Let's see. High Priestess. High Priestess, then 2 of Cups and 8 of Strength. Okay, so I can see this connection. There are high chances that this connection lead to reconciliation. If at all you are not talking to this person, or if you are not in communication with this person, definitely I can see some potential of reconciliation because High Priestess is there. So High Priestess means this whoever is the feminine, this person is not very open. Like everything she'll keep to herself and kind of introvert, and she will not express his feelings, her feelings truly. Then she is mysterious. Your person feels that you are mysterious. If female is watching this reading, so your person feels that there are some secrets, there something is going on. This person is mysterious, but at the same time, this feminine is very strong, powerful, intellectual, intelligent, then very matured person. With the High Priestess card, I can say this. And I will say the signs also strongly. I can see Leo here. Then I can see the Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, and yeah, that's all. Aquarius, I told, right? Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo and Scorpio. These 4 signs I can see here. Then also I can see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So these signs I can see in this pile. Okay. So maybe there is, for some of you, there is an elderly lady who might be your friend or your mother, sister, grandmother. Somebody will help you to reconcile with this person. Okay, so I can see here that you both are twin flames or soulmates, because you both are sharing your cups and you have lot of love towards each other, and you both might be partners also in maybe a business or any kind of a partnership, and you know this person is not new for you. So this person might be your friend or a colleague, so classmate or a college mate, anything. So that you know this person very well. I mean, in the past, you know this person, you dealt with this person, and because of some conflict, you both are not talking to each other. So you both are now in not in a communication. So you are asking whether we will reconcile or not. So I can strongly feel that you can reconcile, because we can see this Two of Cups. Okay, then Strength card also, it is a double confirmation that you are soulmates, because we can see infinity symbol in both the cards. So you both are definitely soulmates and you both will reconcile. There is no doubt about it, and you will have some this is strength. You both are having strength. I mean, you both are not giving up on this connection. Even that person also is having courage and strength to wait. Actually, you both are waiting for each other to reconcile, but this person is also having the strength, like he is gathering all the strength to stay away from you, because you both are in a definitely a painful situation, because you are not together, you both are not talking. Then you had very beautiful times in the past also, sharing the cups and celebrating with each other. Then this female is not, I can feel that this feminine energy, whoever is in this connection, so feminine is not expressing her feelings truly. So this person is not telling the truth actually. Maybe she is confused, or she is not happy with the person or something. But this lady is not telling anything. So that person is a little bit confused. I mean, what is happening here? This person is, whether this lady is interested in me or not. Because you both are friends, you both have very close bonding, close relationship with you. But something happened, and you both separated from each other, and this person feels that why this lady, without any reason or without any proper communication, you both stopped talking to each other. So that is the reason this person is feeling little like deceptive. This lady is not telling me anything, or this lady is not open, this lady is not telling the truth, or somebody is there in her mind. So that kind of thoughts are coming. But I can see here some elderly lady or your friend, somebody will help you to reconcile, and you both will be enjoying happy together with the Two of Cups. Let's see. And I can also see that this union might happen in the month of August. I can see 8 here. So this reconciliation might happen in the month of August, then or 8 weeks. Okay, so swords energy and wands energy is a very fast moving energy. So Leo is a fire sign. So I can say that this might take in the month of August or 8 weeks from now. Okay, so take it however it resonates. And let's see some, let's pull some guidance card from Sacred Indian Tarot. This flew away, but I'm not taking. Let's take some guidance card from Sacred Indian Tarot. Angels, spirit guides, please give us some guidance. What is happening in this connection? Please give us some guidance. Why this separation? When this reconciliation will happen? What to do? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. And High Priestess also represents Virgo, like earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, please give us some guidance. Okay, the depth. That means you both are having some transformation. Your person actually. So you are asking about the person, right? Like, will we have a reconciliation or not? Okay, will the reconciliation happens or not? So death means the transformation is happening from your person's side. So this person is transforming, his feelings are changing, his ideas and thoughts towards this connection is changing. So this person is transforming and slowly coming towards you. So definitely in the month of August, this person will communicate to you and you will have the reconciliation. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. Pile number 1, whoever chose the blue color shell. Let's move on to pile number 2. So pile number 2, whoever chose this yellow shell, this reading is for them. Let's see the cards. Will there be any reconciliation in this connection? Will there be any reconciliation in this connection? Will there be any reconciliation in this connection? Okay, I can see one card flipped here. Will there be any reconciliation in this connection? Will there be any reconciliation in this connection? Oh, cards are flying. 1 second, friends. This card flew away, friends. I had to stop the reading. Okay, so we got these 2 cards. Will there be any reconciliation? Will there be any reconciliation for pile number 2? Will there be any reconciliation for pile number 2? Will there be any reconciliation for pile number 2? Will there be any reconciliation for this pile number 2? Star. Okay, let's see. So we have here 9 of Swords, Knight of Swords and the Star. So here I can strongly feel that you are dealing with air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. It is very strong here. There are no other cards at all. There are no other signs at all. If you are not dealing with air signs, then you can choose another pile. But in this spread, I have only air signs. Aquarius is very strong here. So you can see here 9 of Swords, Knight of Swords and the Star. So 9 of Swords, actually it is a painful situation. This is neither yes or no. Like this card is neutral card, maybe. So everything it is up to the destiny, that kind of a card. Then you both are in a very painful situation, in separation you both are. Then you both are not able to sleep, obsessively thinking about each other. Maybe one of you are not well also, maybe health issues, then not able to sleep, crying at night, waking up at night, obsessively thinking about other person, crying, then worrying about the other person, how that person is. So you both are in this definitely a very painful situation, especially your person. So I can see your person is far from you, he is not near to you. So this might be a long distance relationship. So this person is not nearby to come towards you. And then second one is Knight of Swords. This person will take action, come in full speed, and he will come in like lot of force, because this person is feeling lot of anger, frustration. Then he's impatient. Actually, this correct word is impatient. This person is not able to, because already he cried a lot, he could not sleep, and he had lot of heartbreak, painful situation. Then all these things, so many days or months or years, I don't know how long you are now separated. So this person had everything. Now this person want to take an action. He is becoming impatient. He want to know. I want to know the truth, whether it is yes or no. Reconciliation is there or not. Even if we fight, also no problem. But I want to talk to this person. He want to talk. He want to communicate. He want to come towards you. You can see this card. This horse is running in a full speed, and this person is charged completely, and his sword is in the air. That means this person want to cut off all the misunderstandings, all the problems that you had, all the fights that you have, this person want to cut with the sword, and he want to have a very beautiful reunion with you. This is, but this will continue, friends. What I can see from Knight of Swords is, even though this person is coming towards you very fast, but again it will be on and off, like because swords is not a like stable energy. So this person is coming with an anger or a impatience or a rage. This person is coming towards you, but you have to be a little careful with this person, because again he might ghost you. Okay, again you might go to no communication zone. So you have to deal with him very patiently, and whatever this person is trying to say, in this pile I can say that you have to be a listener, you have to be the observer. So definitely this person will be coming towards you within days or weeks. Okay, but you have to be very very patient. What he is telling, you have to see, because this person is very like short tempered, I can feel. This person is very angry person. So you have to deal with a lot of patience. You have to be calm, quiet, don't trigger anything, any fight. Otherwise again this person will go back, again this person can ghost you. Okay, so with the star card, definitely you will have beautiful future ahead, like because this person feels you are the celebrity, you are the star, and he has lot of hope that this connection will work. Okay, this person is very very hopeful that this connection will work, because he knows that you love him, and he loves you. So this person feels that definitely there is a hope for this connection. He wants a second chance in this connection. So he's coming like a Knight of Swords, and he want to have a bright like a star. Your connection should be shining, okay, bright. So definitely I can see this this is a long distance relationship. Let's see, let's pull a guidance card, then see what universe want to say, spirit guides want to say. Please help us and guide us. What should they do? What this pile number 2 people do? Or what is your advice? Or what is your guidance card? Please give us some guidance. Spirit guides, angels, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Please guide us. Please guide us. So the Hierophant. So Hierophant is a Taurus person. Okay. So whoever thought that, oh, this air signs, my person is not of air sign, then you can see here, this is a Taurus card. Okay, Taurus is a very strong, stable and committed person actually. So this person, whomever you are dealing with, this person is, universe is telling, trust this person. This person is not a flirt or a player. This person is definitely have very good intentions towards you. He wants a Hierophant, always a matured person, elderly person. So you there might be some age difference also between both of you. So this person might be elder to you. Then this person is very strong, stable, grounded, earth sign, right? So earth sign means always it is grounded and stable. He want to give you commitment, like long-term relationship. Okay, then this person want to have a family with you. This is Hierophant is a very very positive card in love readings. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the best. Pile number 2, definitely this reconciliation will happen within days, okay, or weeks, not more than that. Okay, let's see. Pile number 3, whoever chose this green color shell, let's see what your person want to say. Will there be any reconciliation? 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 2 cards fell. Magician, the Sun. Will there be any reconciliation? Will there be any reconciliation? Will there be any reconciliation? The Emperor. Wow, very nice. Out of all these three piles, the third one is very, very positive and very hopeful pile actually. So definitely this person will reconcile with the Magician card. So he want to manifest you. You both are soulmates. This person want to manifest you in back into his or her life, because maybe one of you are doing following law of attraction or trying all the manifestation techniques and all. So this person is trying to manifest you. He wants to reconcile with you, and he wants to have a reunion with you, and second chance. This person want to have a second chance. Okay, this person, you can see here all the signs are there here. Pentacle is there, cups are there, then swords is there, then wands. So he is having all sorts of feelings towards you. This person has love towards you. This person has passion towards you. This person is definitely want to have all the kind of emotions he want to share with you. So this person is manifesting all, sharing all the feelings means that he want to stay with you 24/7. When it is possible, when you get married and stay together, right? So this person wants that ultimately. Then the sun card. The sun card is very, very happy card. You both will have a happy connection. Then you will have children. Then it is a very bright sunlight. Maybe some of you are pregnant. Whoever is watching this reading, some of you are pregnant, or a single mother or a single father. You can see the child also, then horse also. So you want to have you will have a very definitely a beautiful family together. Then it is bright and shine, always happy, celebrating. So this is a very, very positive card. Then Emperor, I forgot to tell you the signs, right? So the signs are very strong here. Aries is very strong. Then I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and also I can see the fixed signs Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, and Leo. Okay, so these are all the fixed signs I can see in this reading. So all the these two are major arcanas, and Emperor card is very, very strong. Emperor means King of Kings. Okay, so he is the King of Kings. That means very, very powerful person. Little bit aged also. Maybe there is some age difference also. This person is matured and he is kind of a manager or a very powerful position. This person is into. And Emperor means this person might be already married or divorced, or you are married or divorced, but this person want to give you a stable connection and a strong commitment. Actually, this person is determined actually. So this person likes to give more than take. So this person want to offer you his love, then affection. He wants to actually basically offer you everything, like cups, wands, swords, pentacles. So everything he want to offer you, everything he want to give you, whatever you want to have in your life. This person will keep you at your feet. Okay, the Emperor. And but this person is very reserved. Then he's a little bit egotistic, because he's Emperor. After all, he's Emperor. Then he's proud and he's confident, powerful. So this person is coming towards you with a full charge, and this person want to have, whenever this person is coming, he will not come with empty handed. Like he will not offer you maybe a date or a dinner or some movie or nothing like that. Definitely this person, whenever he is reconciling, this person is coming back, he will offer the marriage or engagement or living together. He will be serious. This person is not playing around with you. This person is very, very serious, and he is into Emperor energy. That means he is very, very honest and faithful, and he will do the justice actually. Then this person is coming towards you definitely, and I can see that this person will be coming in some weeks. Okay, I can see maybe 4 weeks. Okay, this person might come towards you in 4 weeks, or yeah. So this person might come. This is a Aries card. Aries card means Aries season is already over, March and April. So this person definitely will come. Actually, swords means within days, then wands means within weeks. So in few weeks, this person will definitely contact you. I feel that this person will not call you or text you. This person will come to you directly, because there is no communication card here. So definitely he want to come towards you, want to offer this love. And this relation is little bit complicated, because one of you are married already, one of you are divorced already, and one of you are single mom or dad. So this person definitely is manifesting you in this connection. So surely he will reconcile. Let's take one guidance card from Sacred Indian Tarot. Spirit guides, please give us some guidance, give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Okay, again the Magician, that means double confirmation. So here both of you are manifesting each other. So definitely this is divine union, divine reunion. Okay, so this is soulmate connection. You both are manifesting each other, the feminine and masculine. You both are on the same page. It is mutual love. It is not one-sided. This is mutual love. Definitely you both will reconcile. This is a very strongest pile, I can say. Pile number 1 and 2 comparatively, this pile number 3 is very, very strong. Reconciliation, it is a long-term commitment, then stability. Whoever chose this pile number 3, congratulations friends. Definitely this is a very positive reading. I'm so happy to do this reading, and if it resonates, please comment in the comment section so that I will know that you are happy with this reading. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. That's all I have for you today. Let's meet in the next reading. Until then, bye.